Hello everyone, my name is Karthik and my teammate's name is Shashank. We are here to explain about our AI project which is Connect 4 using Minmax algorithm. So the objective of this project is to create an agent which can beat uh, the user in a Connect 4 game. We're gonna use Minmax algorithm in this project. So what is Connect 4 game? This game consists of two players where both the players will be playing on a board of 7 columns and 6 rows. So each player will pick a single color of a coin. Uh, the goal is to be first to get 4 pieces in a horizontal, vertical, or diagonal line. So since the board is vertical, when the player drops a coin, it will go to the lowest unoccupied row. Uh, so the player will win when he gets all the 4 pieces in a horizontal, vertical, or diagonal manner. So how we are going to achieve this? So what is min-max algorithm? It is a decision-making algorithm used in game theory. It contains two players considered as min and max. Min will pick the minimum score, and max will pick the maximum score. The value for each game move is decided based on the heuristics. So the approach is we have written the code in JavaScript, and for styles we have used HTML and CSS. We have used HTML canvas. So I'll be showing you the code.
Hello everyone, my name is Shashank. I will continue from here. So we have two files, an index file with the average HTML document, which will be helpful to run the game in the browser. So we can choose a browser like Internet Explorer and Google, like that. And we have two JavaScript files which contains the code which is to be executed, and also it contains a game logic. And we also have a CSS file which includes the styling of the game. So coming to the code, so we have two JavaScript files, which is minmax and sketch. So here we have sketch minmax algorithm, which contains the code for the main code for the to declare the winner. So the it contains these are the scores, and this is the depth of 5, and these are the scores. So usually we will take like minus infinity to plus infinity. So we took here like 1 lakh to minus 1 lakh. So here the best move which is used to calculate the move of the AI and the human. So this is a min-max method which is used to calculate the depth and board. So we'll go to the min-max method. Sorry. So this is a min-max function which is used to calculate the winner. So here is the get winner function, which is written in the sketch.js. Get winner function, it loops to the rows and columns and diagonals to calculate to know the winner of the game. So when we have 4 coins in a row or diagonal or in the column, we'll get the winner. So it loops all the rows, columns, and diagonals. So we have kept the if loop for that, and for loop for that. And next space is a function which is used to calculate the space in the empty space, so that the coin from the above falls into the column. So here So we have another function which is a score position. So in score position, we count the number of pieces and count the diagonals, etc. So these are all the conditions for that. And this is a function count pieces. And from here, Karthik will continue.
So I'll be running the code now. So these are all our files. For the game to be executed, we need to run this index file. So once this index file is executing, this is our game grid. It each has 7 rows and 6 columns. So here, artificial AI, our agent, has played the first move. It has taken the red coin. We'll be taking the green coin. So I'll be putting here. So immediately, when I took my turn, immediately the AI has dropped his coin. So here, if you we can see the sketch code. The mouse pressed function will allow the coin to drop in such a location where there is an empty space. So next, if you click here, the coin will be dropped here, and immediately AI chose this grid. So in the code, in our minmax function, the AI immediately checks for the best possible route to get the 4 coins in the diagonal way or vertical way or horizontal way. So here there is a function to count the diagonal values. So if, for example, if I click here, my coin drops here. So the best possible way for the AI is to do reset the game and drop 1 coin here. So that's the best possible way for the agent to drop the coin here. So immediately it returns the score. So here, once the mouse is pressed, the next best possible slot is decided by the agent to take the to win the game. So immediately when I dropped here, they chose this box. So when I dropped the coin here, the best possible way is to for the agent to drop here, so that the horizontal way the AI has won the game. So if you continue to the slides, yep. Here if you can see the best possible way to win the game, I have tried so many times, but I couldn't achieve win over the AI. Thank you, everyone. Let me know if you have any doubts.
Thank you everyone for the opportunity.